Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Vietnamese with Jane. In today's lesson, we are gonna learn how to use tongues in Vietnamese. Okay, so in Vietnamese, you know that we use tongues when speaking. We have 6 tongues in Vietnamese. So 6 tongues are sắc, huyền, hỏi, ngã, nặng, or ngang. So let's take a look at 2 tongues, sắc and huyền. Now, when we listen to English, do you think that English have tongue or not? I would say yes, English has tongue. But the difference is in English, when we change the tongue, the meaning of the word doesn't change. But in Vietnamese, when you change the tongue, the meanings may change. So for example, the word thank you. When I say thank you, that means sắc, huyền. So thank is high raising tongue. Thank, and when I say you, it's down tongue. So thank you, that is sắc, huyền in Vietnamese. Awesome. So the word awesome, when I say aw, is high raising tongue, and when I say some, it's down. So it's falling down from awesome. So similarly in Vietnamese, that is the tongue sắc, huyền. So you can say thank you, awesome. Now let's look at a Vietnamese word. Tháng 10, that have a 2 tongue. Tháng is the high raising tongue with dấu sắc, and 10 is the low tongue. So tháng 10. Or for example, the yellow fish, cá vàng. So cá vàng. Now you can repeat after me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome. Awesome. Tháng 10. Tháng 10. Cá vàng. Cá vàng. Okay? Now let's practice one of them. Sắc. So in English, judge. Judge. That. That. Now in Vietnamese, có, nói, đói, đói. Okay. Again. Judge, that, có, nói, đói. So that is the tongue sắc. Now let's practice huyền. Trời, trời. Và, vì, là, quà. Okay, so in Southern Nation, hỏi and ngã sounds the same as hỏi. So I couldn't find any word in English that have this tone. But for example, when like someone asks you and you couldn't hear them and you say hey or ja, then that is the hỏi sound. So hey, ja. Phở, nghỉ lễ. Hãy, dạ. Phở, nghỉ lễ. Now let's practice the nặng tongue. Lạ, lạ. Ngọt, ngọt. Mặt, mặt. một, một. Thận, thận. Now try. Ngang, sắc, huyền. How are you? How are you? How are you? Ngang, sắc, huyền. Không có gì. How are you? Không có gì. Ngang, sắc, huyền. Now you try. When I say beautiful, what is the tone? Beautiful. Okay, that is sắc, ngang, huyền. Beautiful. Sắc, ngang, huyền. And a similar word with a similar sound in Vietnamese is tối ăn gì. Sắc, ngang, huyền. Tối ăn gì. What do we eat tonight? Ngày mai em đi, biển nhớ tên em gọi về, gọi hồn liễu rũ lê thê, gọi bờ cát trắng đêm khuya. Ngày mai em đi, đồi núi nghiêng nghiêng đợi chờ, sỏi đá trong em từng giờ, nghe buồn nhịp chân bơ vơ. Now that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.